Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to see how to install Android games on your PC. First, you have to turn on virtualization. If you don't know how to enable virtualization, then click on the pop-out banner to see how to enable virtualization on your PC. Then, open any web browser, search for LD Player, click on the first link, select download LD Player 9, then save. Click on the downloaded file, select yes, select install. These are the promotional contents, so I'm just gonna select reject. Click on start, close the window. I'm gonna open LD Player 9. Click on search games. You can install any game you want. I'm gonna select Clash of Clans. Install. To install any games and apps, you must sign in first, so I'm gonna sign in. Click install. The game is installing on your PC. To customize app settings, select gear icon. Then you can choose your resolution, CPU cores, and allocated RAM. I'm gonna select 4 cores, 3 GB of RAM, and display resolution of 1920 by 1080p. Then save settings. You can customize key mapping just by clicking on little keyboard icon. You can customize volume by clicking on the speaker icon. You can take screenshot, screen record, and show shared folders between your emulator and your PC. Click on play. As you can see, I have installed Android games on my PC successfully. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button.